Changing your phone number on OneDrive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Sign into OneDrive. Open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Info. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on Security Info to view your current security settings, including phone numbers. Step 4. Update phone number. In the Security Info section, find the option to add or edit your phone number. Click on the current number to edit it or select the option to add a new phone number. Follow the prompts to enter your new number. Step 5. Verify your new phone number. After entering the new phone number, you may need to verify it. Microsoft will send a verification code to the new number. Enter the code as prompted to complete the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on OneDrive will be successfully changed. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date for account security and recovery purposes.